TCS NQT. So you go to the online that ION hub and then attend the sample test they have provided. So there is a slight changes in previous test to this test. So in previous test they asked to, for 30 aptitude tests. So now they are asking 20 questions, 20 aptitude questions for 40 minutes. So you have 10 minutes for 10 questions verbal part, and 40 minutes for 20 questions for quantitative aptitude. And they will ask some programming MCQ based questions that are from C based and object oriented concepts by Java snippets. They will give you snippets, and you need to predict what will be the output. So there are total 10 questions for you need to complete it within 20 minutes. And along with that there is one programming question, and that will be medium level questions. So it completely depends upon object oriented. You need to solve it by object oriented by declaring class and method, main method. So it will be for 20 minutes. So you need to manage completely. The time management is very important there, because you will get more time for quantitative aptitude, and it is for 40 minutes. So try to cover it as fast as possible, so you will get time for coding test. I will provide you some of the topics for quantitative aptitude in chart. Also prepare the
Yeah.
basic level. For quantitative, they will ask the basic level and medium level questions. So if you clear the NQT up to 70 to 80%, then you will get notification from there regarding digital test. So if you clear the aptitude, if you clear the NQT first level test up from 70 to 80%, so you will be going for higher level test for digital package, that is 7 lakh package, 7 LPA. So the questions asked for digital, that may be from medium to high level questions. So topics will be same. The quantitative aptitude topics, what you have prepared for NQT base package, that will be syllabus will be same, but the questions difficulty level will be medium to high levels. And the question programming test will be medium level. Same test will be happen for digital package. And for interview, after you clearing the NQT first, and if you not got the digital test, so you will be asking for interviews. And there is no hard and fast rule that you may be asked only for technical questions. In technical interview, they will ask some questions based on Java concepts, object oriented concepts, and they will ask you about some new technologies. And if you know some of the technologies like cloud, they may ask you about the AWS and VMware, how it will work. So the interview process will be a bit technical for NQT. And for digital, it is very, they will concentrate on completely object oriented and high tech for digital package. So try to prepare for interview well. And for NQT preparation, you need to concentrate on aptitude. You can clear the verbal part easily, because they have provided the passage and synonyms, antonyms. The verbal part will be the medium level, but you need to concentrate on quantitative ability, because the topics are from 10 to 10 or 15 topics, and they will ask you only the 20 questions. So you need to prepare on all topics. And that's from my side. And if you have any questions, then you can ask.
Uh,
Once you will clear.
yeah,
Yes sir.
Pramod. Like, so everyone is having the opportunity, right? Everyone is
Yeah.
eligible, and this time they are allowed one backlog also.
Yeah, they are allowed. This is a great platform where you can hire, you can get a chance to get in TCS. So I don't think this is the last chance for TCS. From onwards, they will not take any other tests for to hire them. If you want, then you will get intern also. If you get selected in NQT, and you are interested in to do intern, so they will take for 6 months internships also there. So you can try for that also. And as everything is going virtually due to COVID, so try to clear this test, as this is the as you think, you need to clear this test compulsorily. So it's the best for you.
Yeah, and And like if you have the interest, like suppose if you have the interest in any, like suppose if you have a set goal, then we can do anything. For example, in the civil department, one of the student, I don't want to mention the name, and
Actually,
you everyone know that the one of the student, he started his preparation, like Pramod also know, he knows, like in the before means in the InfTQ, during the InfTQ preparation time. So he just started. He was like he was started from the scratch. He don't know about anything Python and all. He just gone through the C, and one of your classmate only. Maybe he is in the session also. So he started his preparation from the scratch, and the main thing is here interest. How he was interested and how he was motivated to join the software company. So, and you people are like CAC, IT, and electronics are like, I think you people like more concentrate more on the programming and all. But interest is very important. If you have a set goal that I have to crack the particular exam, then definitely you will do. So first, interest is very important. Uh, okay,
yeah,
Pramod.
this is not
Yeah,
difficult. Yes, sir. This is not difficult to clear this exam because they are taking the verbal part and quantitative aptitude. And if you know some bit logic about how to solve the programming by declaring class and main method, you can clear that programming test also. If you get greater than 55% in the NQT, then you will be selected. If you clear the interview also, then you will be assigned for base role, that is assistant software engineering. If you are good in aptitude and verbal part, then definitely you will go for digital test. And all the best, friends. This is from my side.
yeah. Uh, so if you have any questions, you can ask.
You can
So
ask me.
still he is having 2-3 minutes because he is in the trading now. So on actually with some immediately he's responded like yeah, how much we need to score to qualify.
To qualify basic for base package, it will be from 55 to 80%. If you want to clear to take the test for digital, you need to take score 80 above. So they will not give you this proper score how much you will get. So they will clearly mention in the mail that you have cleared the base package. And if you are if you got the greater than 80%, then they will give the send the mail regarding digital package.
Yeah. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, uh, yeah. Thank you, Pramod. Thank you
Thanks,
for
sir. Thank you, sir.
accepting the invitation. And let us. We'll see again for some more sessions. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Thank
sir. Thank you, sir.
you. Okay. So yeah, I think so. Everyone has joined. Yeah. So I think you people are attending the sessions 2 to 4, and along with that, you are appearing for some of the self-study platforms like in the YouTube channel or in uh, the tests during the night time, 9 to 12 p.m., 9 to the night, okay, 9:30 to 12:30 a.m. Okay, it is good that you people are very much interested, and so there are various platforms are available. I think like compared to like faculty, the students is no matter better the some of the like concepts, and also the way of preparation like in the online platform, like through the YouTube channels. There are so many companies they started like they target to only the particular TCS NQT, because this times TCS NQT, this particular qualifying test, they are conducting all over India. Okay, and the competition will be more as all the branches, the people are involved. And I'm not sure about the cutoffs and all. Maybe from TCS, they conduct some of the sessions from the TCS company. Maybe I think Saturday, tomorrow, or maybe next week, because in the TCS Codevita time also, the people has arranged some of the sessions from some doubt clearing sessions. So similar to that, this time also maybe they will arrange some sessions, and cutoff maybe like, see, for example, it is vary in 1 marks also, because there are the competition will be more, and last year the awareness was not there, but this time there is a more awareness. Even all technical, non-technical, diploma students, diploma pre-final year, even in the BE also pre-final year, all department, civil, mechanical, all department people are appearing. So the test may be at the medium level, or maybe sometimes it is easy level. Okay, so you have to be like more concentration on the practice of the syllabus, whatever they are mentioned. Okay, so like I have taken some of the topics. I think this screen is visible. Say anyone, yes? Is the screen visible? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, you people means focus mainly on the some of the important topics, and in the online there are so many, like the mock tests are available, and even for practice test, and also for the YouTube channels where like I can mention the some of the names, like Kondura Online, from Face Prep, and also Byju's. Byju's is also having uh, the very good material for these verbal and verbal section, reasoning sections, and all. And because this syllabus is there, no, that almost similar to the banking exam, the verbal, non-verbal, these reasoning and all, the quantitative aptitude. So you, because you will get so much the materials, but what to do? You people have to practice. Okay, you just take a pen, paper, and try to practice these the like the problems based upon these topics. So here, like I have some of the links here. Maybe you people also have, you know about all these things, like these on verbal ability. Some of these practice links are there on data interpretation, then aptitude. Okay, so lofoya.com. So this is one of the, like, means the particular website where I found like it is a easy, means there mentioned the concepts, formula, and all. So you can just recall the things. Okay, and also the problems at a easy level, medium level, difficult level. Okay, uh, so this is about the aptitude and also reasoning. So for reasoning, I think you people know the indiabix.com. Okay, you people I think very much know about the indiabix.com, where you can practice thousands of questions from for verbal, quantitative, and reasonings. So these are some of the important topics that you have to focus, and these are the links that the codeofgeeks.com. See, practice is very important, and these are the some of the links where you can get some of the, like, TCS NQT mock test. Okay, just I will share these documents, and also some of the company wise tests also. And see, the main thing is that the syllabus for all the companies are same. For Infosys also same syllabus, but you people have to practice. So these are the some links that I will provide you, and this IndiaBix you already know, you people. And for the programming, the MCQ on C, C++, Java, data structure, algorithms, okay, and some coding. Okay, so this is all about some of the main sections. The next is, see, the last year, see, the in programming, there are two questions, and one question was easy for this time also. I think for 15 minute one programming coding question, and 30 minutes second question. Okay, so the one definite means it is very easy. The one programming coding problem statement. Okay, so like, but you should be perfect with, I think you people already know all these things. So you try to concentrate on the medium level, the medium level of the some of the problem statement that available in the hacker rank and hacker earth. And also the many of you people are using the python, and I heard that the python 2.7 version they use in the that digital ion platform. Am I right? Is anyone know about this one? I think the advanced version, you people, I think maybe you are using 3.6, 3.7. Okay. So in the means I think then you people have to refer the 2.7 version of Python, right? Yes, Purab.
Yes, sir.
Uh, so means you have to practice your coding and all with the Python 2.7 version.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
2.7. Because actually, last year they are also used 2.7.
Yeah, yeah. This time also I heard that because some of the last year friends, seniors, your seniors, they told about this problem. Means just you take care of that also. Then yeah, yeah. So we'll discuss some problem statements. Yeah. So you people already know about all those all the section wise the important topics and all. So now what you do, you just try to answer in the mention in the chat box. So the two figures, I think you people have gone through this particular type of question. Anyone can tell where you gone through such type of question? This. Anyone gone through this type of question? Okay, you can just speak. You just unmute and you can speak because uh, this the whatever the document is there, no, that is covering the full screen mode, so I cannot see your chart and all. Anyone can tell like where you have seen this type of question, or can anyone answer what is the answer? Visual reasoning. What is the answer for this? Just can anyone tell? Artistic. Two figures on the left of this particular sign. Okay, related or related in a certain way. The same relationship holds good for the second pair of figures for this particular figure on the right of the sign. So one figure is missing. So this particular figure is missing. Find the missing figure from the alternatives. So which is the correct answer? C. Srikant. Srikant is saying the C option. Okay. Just once again you cross check. So everyone is saying C. Yes. Again you check it out. Which is the correct option for the given alternative? Here you can see. See here, there is a square, there is a diamond. So this particular, it is rotated in a 45 degree here. This particular diagram, it is rotated here. Okay, and the star and here dots are there. So here the stars are inside the circle here. This is the circle, and here is a square. and here diamond is there. Okay, मीन्स यहाँ क्या हुआ है, सर्कल अंदर आया हुआ है, सर्कल इज इनसाइड, यहाँ सर्कल इज आउटर एंड इट इज इनसाइड, राइट, और यहाँ जो स्क्वायर है ये बाहर है, तो यहाँ क्या होगा, आई थिंक द ऑप्शन इज दिस वन, second one is the option, am I right? It is tilted 45 degree, the second one. Okay, this particular diagram, are you getting my yes, the answer is second one, because यहाँ क्या हुआ है, it is tilted 45 degree and ये बाहर का जो सर्कल है ये अंदर हुआ है and जो the square box is outside. So similar to that here, ये जो square है यहाँ आएगा, okay, और ये जो डॉट अंदर जाएगा, ये स्टार्स बाहर आएगा. Okay, so the correct option is second one. Okay, then so yeah, you can just go through this one. Can you able to read this question? Say anyone, just you just unmute because it is my full screen mode and I cannot.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A medical representative plans to visit 6 doctors A, B, C, D, E, F, one doctor per day. Okay, there are 6 doctors are there, one doctor per day during a week from Monday to Saturday. He visited D on the day just before the day he visited B. He visited C on Monday. He did not visit F, that is doctor, on either Tuesday or Saturday. He visited A on the day before the day he visited E. He visited D on the same day after he visited A. So what doctor did he visit on Sunday? Just you can just try it. Yeah. Just mention the answer in the chat. Yeah, anyone mentioned the answer chat? Answer is Lakshmi. Yes, Lakshmi saying B. Anyone others? What doctor did which doctor, A, B, C, D, E, F, among that, which doctor did he visit on Saturday? Lakshmi, Deepan, Prakshal. So Lakshmi, can you speak, Lakshmi? Is it just you are guessed the answer, or have you solved these questions? Lakshmi, roll number 38. Okay, let us see. A medical representative plans to visit the 6 doctors A, B, C, D, E, F, one doctor per day during a week from Monday to Saturday. Okay. He visited D on the day just before the day he visited B. So D, B. Okay, he visited the D on the day just before the day he visited B. He visited C on Monday. So it is clear. It is clear that it's a Monday. Okay, so it is Monday, right? Then this is clear. He did not visit the F either Tuesday or Saturday. Means Monday के बाद Tuesday or Saturday. So here Tuesday is not who? F is not visited. Saturday नहीं है, visit नहीं है. Okay. F is not on either Tuesday or Saturday. So if you know the answer, you can just mention in the chat. Try to solve pen paper. See these logical aptitude and all. It is not like, so now people who are using these mobile phones, tablets, laptop and all. But there is no use. You have to use the pen and paper to solve. Because if you are an expert, then you can just read and you can understand the question. Okay, then he visited A on the day before the day he visited E. Okay, so he visited A. He visited A on the day before the day he visited E. Then he visited D on the some day after he visited A. Someday. Okay. So you can just try to solve it, and if you know the answer, you just mention in the chat. Okay. So here he visited D on the same day after he visited A. Okay. So here we need to find out the medical representative. He visited the doctor on Saturday. So we visited C Monday, and here F is not there. So here we can form, this is one pair DB, and A and E will come here, because here he visited the D on the same day after he visited the A. So A will come previous only. So here we can like, suppose here is Monday, and suppose if we consider this as Tuesday, Wednesday, then here it is this is Saturday, last one. So yeah, not one, not this is F is not Saturday. So D on the same day he visited A. He visited the D on the day just before the day he visited B. You just check it out. This is like Friday, Saturday. F is not in the Tuesday or Saturday. तो यहाँ एक खाली बचता है Thursday. So this is Friday and Saturday. So the answer will be, you just check it out. Answer is B. The which doctor he visits on the Saturday is B. You just cross check with the letter. The answer is, I think many of you have shared. The answer is B. Then so check it out. This one more type of logical reasoning questions. A statement is followed by, like here you will get some statements, and based on the assumption you have to say whether a statement is followed by the two assumptions. So this is the one first and second assumptions. Consider the statement and decide. So this is based on this statement you have to decide whether the given assumptions are implicit in the statement. So what is the statement? In spite of several efforts by the environmentalist, some of the rarest species of the birds are on the brink of extinction. Brinks of extinction means like coming to an end, dying out. Okay, the extinctions of the bird. Okay, so they are coming to an end. So this is the statement they are given, and assumptions are people in general do not care for the birds, and they engage in actions that are threaten the survival of certain bird species. So this is not a only reason. This is not a only reason. Only the people. This is not a correct reason. And second, whether or not the environmentalist care, every species would be the extinct in the course of time. So here this is also like it won't comes because here even they are not mentioned in the statement. In the statement they are not mentioned, like even the environmentalists or environment also they don't do anything. Still they are extinct. So they are not mentioned in the statement. So the correct answer will be neither one or two. Neither one or two. Okay. Then in the next question, uh, yeah, next you just try to solve it. Three shops A, B, and C sold cars in January, February, March month. The total number of cars sold in this 3-month period by A, B, and C were, so they are given, okay, 460, 320, and 500. Both A and C, both A and C sold the same number of cars in the January. The number of cars sold by A and C in the March was also the same. A sold the 120 cars in February, which was half of the number of the cars that is sold by the C in March. Both A and B sold exactly the same number of cars in February. The ratio of the number of cars that is sold by B in January and March was 1:4. Just to try to solve by using pen paper, what was the ratio of total number of cars that is sold in January, February, March month by the three shops? What are the three shops? A, B, C. Yes, try to solve it. If you know the answer, just mention in the chat box. The three shops. Yes, anyone? Mention in the chat box. 144 students. So there are three shops. A, B, C sold the cars in January, February, March. So suppose if we consider like in the January month, February month, then in the March month. Okay, for A shop. So what is how much they are given? 460. Then for B also in the January month. Okay. B January month, B. Okay, you just try to understand these, okay, because I am using the some like it is like a paint like software, so I'm not able to write properly. February and March month. So how much total? 320. 320 and C. C in the January month. C in the February month. Okay, then in the March month. So if anyone know the answer, you just unmute and say 500. Yes, anyone tried? 358. Suraj. 358. Good, good. Yeah, it's correct. 358. So here, uh, so what they are mentioned here, the three shops. So this is the total value, and both A and C sold the same number of cars in the January month. A and C in the same month. The total number of cars sold by A and C in March month. So March month were also the same. A sold 120 cars in the February. So here it will come 120. 120 in the February month, which was half of the number of the cars that is sold by the C in March. Half means here 240 will come. 240. Yeah, 120 hai to means here they mentioned A, so A sold 120 cars in the February, which was half of the number of cars that is sold by the C in March month. So both A and B sold exactly the same number of cars in the February. A and B, okay, here in the February means here it is also same 120 will come. Okay, they sold the same number of cars in the February. The ratio of number of cars sold by the B in January and March. Okay, here B in January and B in March. Okay, it is 1:4 ratio. Yeah, anyone answer others? Okay, so it's a 1:4 they are given. So they asked what is the ratio total number of in January, February, March by 3 shops. So here like in the B we know, the February month we know. Okay, so here we can calculate like for yeah, January month, then February month, then March month. So how much total? 320. And we know for February month. Okay. So B January plus March. February we know 120. 120 means here how much we will get? 200. 200 we will get. Okay. Then means here they are given this ratio, right? BJ BM means January month or February month of B shop. Okay. So 1:4. 1:4. So 1:4 means here you can calculate for the January month 1 divided by the ratio is 1/4, no? 1 divided by 1 plus 4. 1 divided by 1 plus 4 into 200. So for B, how much we will get for B? 200. For B means here 1/5 into 200. So 1/5 into 200 means here 200 by 5 means 40 you will get. Okay. So B you will get 40. So the car sold by the B in January month is 40, like यहाँ 160 हुआ और यहाँ टोटल वो 320 है, तो ये कितना हुआ 160, राइट। देन नेक्स्ट what is the problem statement? Where both A and C sold the same number of cars in the A and C in the January month, same number of cars sold by A and C in March were also the same. So in the March means here also same means C में 40 है तो March में, so this also same. Okay, तो अभी जनवरी का कितना हुआ यहाँ 240 260 360, तो यहाँ 100 हुआ. Okay, so ये 100 here A and C they sold the same number of cars in January, so this is also 100. ओके तो यहाँ सब वैल्यू मिल गए एंड ये 340 और ये कितना हुआ 160. ओके सो या so now I think you can find out the ratio. अभी जनवरी का कितना हुआ फॉर जनवरी मंथ 100 120 240 means here to total yeah 460 320 and 500. What they asked, what was the ratio of total number of cars that is sold in the January means yeah 100 plus 40 plus 100 कितना हुआ 240 240. Then in the February month if any is there any mistake just you can unmute and inform me. 240 300 400 हुआ February का. Okay, then in the March month 240 300 400 500. No, this one vertical we have to take. Okay, so it's a 640. So now we have to find out the ratio 240 400 and 640. Okay, so here 0 will go for 6 4 6 ja 4 10 ja, then 4 16 ja, then 2 3 ja 2 5 ja 2 8 ja. Okay, so answer is 358. Yeah, good. Shahid Sheikh, then Suraj. Yeah, good. Yes, at least you people have tried. Good. It's then the one more question. A figure marked AX is folded to form a box. Assuming that the paper used for the box is opaque and the signs shaded triangles have to be visible on the outer side of the box. Okay, the shaded triangles, these shaded triangles have to be visible on the outer side of the box. So four possible formation. These are the four possible formations A, B, C, D. So some of which can be formed and some cannot be formed. So choose from the alternatives the boxes that can be formed. So choose some of the alternatives the boxes that can be formed. Okay. So here from this particular, so in such cases what to do, you have to look for some of the options. So can anyone guess what is the answer for this particular question? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess the answer? Am I audible? Yes, the answer is A. Good. Then anyone? Can anyone mention the correct option? A. Samruddhi A. A means these are the possible options like A and C. A and C. Yes, just try it. The figure X that is folded to form the figure marked X is folded to form a box, assuming the paper used for the box is opaque and the signs shaded triangle have to be visible on the outer side of the box. So the possible box formation A, B, C, D they are given. Lakshmi is saying B. Means these are the possible options they are given. And here what happens, like see here in this, you can just later cross check. So what happens in such cases, see here the A is, this possible A is there in 3 options. Okay. Suppose if this particular option is not possible, if this particular option is not possible, then the correct answer is C and D. So you can also like sometimes you have to guess in this way. And here like the correct answer for this is the B. You just go through the such type of reasoning questions. Okay, here actually from this at the top side here at the, this is the right side and this is the left side. The left side will be the blank. uh, the left side will be this particular, the square box is blank, and at the right side there is a small square box is there. So with this hint you can just try to, this option is not possible, this option is not possible. Okay, the correct answer, this option is not possible, and here in A is included in the 3 options. So this is but you just go through these, go through, just to find out, and just let me know, have you seen these 5 questions anywhere? आपने कहीं देखा
मॉक
है?
टेस्ट
हाँ, mock
मॉक
test,
टेस्ट में था सर
not mock test, sample test, sample questions.
हाँ टीसीएस आईएमपी
Yeah, in the TCS sample so sample questions, so in that these questions are available. So have you solved these questions? Have you seen the answers? I think answer is not visible, right? Answer you cannot see, no? Anyone tried? Yeah, answer is not visible. Means you can attempt the test. They are given the sample, but yes, what you do? This is just I have taken only the reasoning section. Okay, these are the 5 questions that were available in the reasoning section. So such type of questions you find out in the internet, or even some faculty also, even the test is also there daily. You have appearing test, but you don't depend upon only on these tests. See, because the college is spending only the 3 hours, 2 hour is for the your session 2 to 4, and 1 hour is the test, and remaining you have the 21 hours. See, this is it's a golden opportunity for you people, and utilize this time. I think in one of my video I have shared, I think maybe you people are I think you know, or maybe how like there is one to track the status, to track the status of the pending work. Anyone gone through my video? That means daily you have to note like what are the topics you are covering, and with a target. What is your target? Till 23 you are appearing till means the time you have. So with respect to that time, I think yeah, I will show that. Okay, the later I will provide the video for that. That's the video is available. Means you can you need to make a plan, and today only you just go through the sample questions of all the sections. Okay, all the sections, and you try to appear, and means just you can see what type of questions you will get. This is not applicable to only TCS. For every organization, wherever they conduct the test, you have to go through the syllabus first, and is there any previous year question papers and all. Then only you can predict, okay, such type of questions will come. So these are the very easy level questions, but even I also found it difficult, because to check the answers and all, because it requires a practice. As you people are practicing, as like just yesterday only I just gone through the like sample test and these questions. So but you people are practicing, you people are master in this particular aptitude and all, but still practice is required, because your competition with lakhs together students. And last year they are hired all over India around 40,000 candidates in TCS, around 40,000. I think it was there in the newspaper in the current week. So this year also again the same strategy, around 40,000 people they will hire, but with the different stream students, different branches, because this TCS company they are sharing their score. Okay, they are sharing their score to the Tata group of companies and also some other companies. Okay, because last time it was like the TCS CCQT was there to conduct the recruitment. Now CCQT it is merged with the only one platform in the TCS Ion. So it's a great opportunity you can use, and let us discuss some more questions. Yeah. So these are some of the mistakes that you should avoid, that are just added here. Is my screen visible? Like sectional cutoffs is there, so you have to take care of that sectional cutoffs in every section, because that's why even you people are observed in the Infosys also, So is my screen visible? Say anyone else?
Yes, sir.
So sectional cutoff is there, and so I just request you people to appear some mock test and also strict with the time, because I just observed in the like in the test what we conducting in the during the night session 9:30. But instead of that, you people also focus on the mock test with the particular duration, because in the Infosys also you people are face the difficulty. Yes, because that particular stick to with that particular time duration is very important. So that practice is required for you people. And suppose if we mention the test is for 1 hour, means try to cover the test in 1 hour, 60 minutes, because it will be helpful for in the your future also whenever you appear for other companies. Okay, sectional cutoff, and do not ignore the verbal section and reading compressions. You just you have to go through around 10,000 questions you should go daily, because see the verbal it is not like fixed questions you will get, right? ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि अभी आपको ये जो भी आप सिनोनिम्स वगैरह पढ़ते हो सेम क्वेश्चंस तो नहीं आता आपको, राइट? So it requires a practice. It requires a continuous practice, and so still you have the time. So daily you have to, at least you should go through at least 100 questions daily. 100 questions. Other than these tests and all, with the various other platforms are available. I think you know better than me these different platforms where the questions are available. So in the you just go through the 100 to 200 daily questions, and reading compression, this is also very important. So if you for this reading compression, in the YouTube channel Byju's YouTube channel is there, and okay, for the banking exam and all, Byju's, you know the Byju's company. So the Byju's company is having some very good video for preparation of these verbal, logical reasoning and aptitude sections, and they are very expert in that particular section. Then programming skills, then version. So you please just you know, take care about this one. You should not face any difficulty during the test, and also you should concentrate on the faster shortcuts. The shortcuts, I think you people are gone through the sessions, Sanir Kittur sir session and all, and just focus on that. And it is very important, last one, you have to attend the test, because you will come to know what is the your performance in that particular section. That is very important. Okay, even though miss sometimes we feel bored, but at least it is required. If you have set the target, then to achieve that target you must attend the tests, so that will give some experience. And this is one more thing I have gone through, that on 11th October, means tomorrow, not tomorrow, TCS NQT All India Mock Test 3 will be conducted between the 10th October, means today, okay, tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 10th October to 11th October. See, it is one of the platform, Kondira Online. I think you may know this Kondira Online platform, and just you people just register here, okay? Because already they conducted 2 mock tests. Maybe I think, is anyone appeared here? Appeared in the Kondura mock test? Anyone? कोई तो अटेंड किया था क्या? Okay. So if possible, you just go through the mock test. That is by Kondura Online. Here you have to create an account, and some of the practice questions are available, and you can get some more details there. But you try to attend this one. You have to register first. You have to register first this NQT mock test. Okay. So let us discuss some other questions. I think these questions are visible. So here you have to replace replace the question mark with the options. So these are the some of the options. So can anyone just mention in the chat box which is the correct option that replaces the question mark? Yes, anyone? So this just option I am giving the name as 124 528 9212. You have to just mention in the chat which is the correct box that fit there. Yeah, I can't see the chart. Divya saying 2. Okay, you can just mention 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. The option which replaces the question mark. Lakshmi saying, yeah. Lakshmi, Sohail Maniar, Vijay Lakshmi, Asheshwari, Pradnya, okay. So yeah, the correct answer is this one, eighth one. How? See, from the top to bottom, from this top to bottom, the dotted line, okay, the dotted line that is rotates 45-degree counterclockwise each time. Counterclockwise means it's anti-clock. Counterclockwise each time means and anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. So this continues to the next column also. And one more option is that like here, this one, anti-clockwise. Okay, and here even the dotted also is anti-clockwise. ये ऐसा है. So it is tilted to like this, and this is tilted to like. तो यहाँ क्या कौन सा आना चाहिए या ऐसा आना चाहिए, right? So the correct option is eighth one. Correct one is eighth one. Okay, good. The next question. Yeah, next question. Just check it out. Which of the option that replaces the question mark? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The pattern will be same. Huh? Next time, means for next questions, we'll keep the same row wise 1 to 4, 5 to 8, 9 to 12. Which is the correct option? Yes, different options are coming. Yes, Venu, Aniket, they're saying 5, Lalit, Suraj, fifth one. Okay. Yeah, the correct answer, good. The fifth one is correct. From left to right, the arrow that moves one place counterclockwise around the pentagon. Okay. ये ऐसा मूव हुआ है और this will वैसे. Okay, it is moved in the anti-clockwise. Good. The answer is 5. Next question. Which is the option that replaces? Here I can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Anyone? It's 2, sir. Which one? Just to go through that. Yeah, Janvi. Everyone saying 11 and 12. Okay, so 11 and 12. Shrutik, Raj, Prajakta. So the answer is, yeah, say 11th one. Okay, from left to right, the circle moves one place clockwise. One place clockwise around the box. So here it was there, and now it is shifted to here. Then yeah, I say okay, it is shifted in a clockwise. Okay, so this is the option. Good. Yes, Prerna Jain, Danish, Vaishnavi. Okay, good. Next question. Yeah, just mention in the chat box the option that replaces question mark 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So here circle is there, circle, star. You can just see how if there is a star shaded, and if the number of stars present with edges also the same, the whatever the element, the square box or hexagon, depend upon the star, the edges also there. Edges also mentioned. Okay, everyone saying 7. So Mahesh saying 1. Okay, Danish, Prerna, Lalit, Giriraj, Lakshmi saying 7. Okay, the correct answer is 4, 5, 6. Yes, this one. 7 is the correct answer. The total number of that stars in each box is equal to total number of edges on the large shape in each box. Okay, here there are 4 stars are there, 4 edges, 3 star, 3 edge. Here only 1. Then next question. So the options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have to tell which is the option. Which is the option that replaces this question mark. Yes, mention in the chat box. It's a 3. Everyone saying 3. Okay, correct answer. Yes. So here what happens from left to right? The crossed square, this particular square, it moves one place to the right each time. So this pattern that continues for the next row also. Okay, so here in the next box here third, then square will come, then it is in the fifth box, then square will come, then in the square, then here on the square this one come. Okay, good. Yeah, we are getting the correct answers from the students. Okay, good. Next. So which is the option that replace the question mark? Prakshal, Pradnya, Sony, two answer. Okay. Sham, Vijay Lakshmi, Samruddhi, Krishna Veni, Srikant, Danish, Aishwarya, Raj, Srikant. So the option is the correct answer is 2. Right? Check. So it's 4, 5, 6. Sixth is the correct. You can just check it out. See from the top to bottom, the missing edge of the hexagon that moves one place counterclockwise, anti-clockwise each time. So this pattern that continues to the next column also. Okay, yeah, this particular edge, yeah, anti-clockwise. So यहाँ क्या रहना चाहिए? This one, this particular. For next column also, it is like anti-clockwise. So that missing edge, it is in a anti-clockwise fashion, counterclockwise. You just okay. So the correct option is sixth one. Sixth one is the correct option. Then okay, next question. Yes, try to answer in the chat box. So few students still they are not responding. 132 students are there. So option is, yeah, multiple options are coming, 4 and 7. See here the thing is the shape, it is divided 1, 2 part, 3 parts, 4, 5, 6. I think 7 will come, right? 7, no? So 7 means which one? 7. This one. Fourth one. Fourth one will fit here. Okay. The next question. Okay, this is the correct answer. The fourth one. Next question. Next question. Which is the option that replaces the question mark? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yeah, answer getting a 10. So in here, in the next column, here one line is there. Here two lines are added. Here again two lines, means total five lines. So here also for 3, 2 line is added. Again here 2 line is added. So here, okay, the answer is 10th one, correct. Okay, then yeah. So for this particular question, which is the option that replaces the question mark? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Different answers are coming. 2, 4, 6, 8. Sham, Swapnil, Prajakta, Kashishwari, Samruddhi. Different answers are coming. So which is the option that replaces the question mark? Okay, most of the answers. Fifth option. Yeah, fifth one. Where from the top to bottom, the symbol that moves one place counterclockwise, anti-clock around the box. Okay, it is moving around in an anti-clockwise fashion. Means यहाँ से यहाँ गया or this position. Then in this case it is ऐसा. Then इसमें क्या आना चाहिए? This is no here anti-clockwise. Okay, it is with respect to the column, top to bottom. Correct is this one. Okay, fifth one. Okay, next question. So which is the option that replaces the question mark? Yes, correct option. Yeah, most of them are eighth one. Yes, yeah, most of them are responding with 8. Okay. Raj is saying ninth one. Okay. So the correct option is eighth one. As you can see from the left to right, the panel in the foreground means this one particular foreground means the particular panel, it is visible to the observer. The foreground that moves one place to the left each time. It is moves one place to the left each time from left to right. Left to right. So this pattern continues for the next row also. So the correct option is eighth one. Okay. Next one. So next question, which is the option that replaces the question mark? Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Pradnya is saying 1, option 1. I think it's also counterclockwise, top to bottom. Top to bottom, the line, I think it tilt to 45-degree. Yeah, Swapnil saying it's a third one. Sohail, fifth, Samruddhi, Sony, Ankit, Aniket. Okay. Yes, Aishwarya 1. And the correct option is eighth one. From the top to bottom, the line rotates 45-degree counterclockwise each time, means in the anti-clockwise. So this particular line, it is in this form. It is rotating here, and again this line is rotating to in this way from top to bottom. So here it should be like this is tilted, no? So it should be like this one. The pattern that continues on the next columns. Okay. Next, yeah, next question. Why not 3? 1, 2, 3. No, see the pattern is like, yeah, see here one diamond shape means hexagon and one square box is there, right? Means for like there are different options are there. In the similar way, it will fit here, this particular option. Here also, like in this particular column. Okay. This particular in this way, I think this particular will option will fit correctly. Edges should be 10. Yes. Yeah. Next question. So which one is this option that replaces the question mark? So here there are the square shaded box, the crossed box, 1, 2, 3. So you just check it out and mention which one of the option will fit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So which one? Mohorish is saying 11th. 11th one. Here one box is there, 2 box, cross box, 3, 4, 5. This one is required, and here 7 is there. So here it should be 6. I think this one will fit. 11th one. 11th one will fit. Okay. Then, yeah. Oh. So I think which one? I think this is not, no. How many square boxes are there? 6. Okay, here also there, no? First one also. So the solution is the total number of rectangle that increases 3 each time. Mm, yeah, rectangles. Okay. So this is not an option, right? It's here the rectangle. Okay, that increases by 3 each time. So this pattern continues to the next. So this will fit the correct answer. Yeah. Answer is yes. The correct is 1. Okay. Next question. Yeah. Try to mention the correct answer in the chat box. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth one, sixth one, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 8, option 8 is getting. So all of us sending option 8. 8 means this one. So here you can see from left to right, the square box, it is shifting in an anti-clockwise for next here. Then for next row also it is continuing from this to here. So here it is coming. Then next here. Then from here to here. Okay. तो अभी क्या आना चाहिए from here to this place. Okay, so the correct option is okay, the 8th one. Good. 8th one. Next. Okay, so this is the last question, and after that we'll go for some data interpretation concepts that we discuss. Data interpretation you already know, but some of the the main important just overview we can discuss about some overview about data interpretation concepts. So just for what is the answer? The first option, second, third, fourth one, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yeah, 2. Answer is coming. Nahida 2, Anjali 2. Okay, Prakshal 2. So here also it is in an anti-clockwise. It rotates. So the correct is 2 option. Left to right, the arrow moves one place, counter clockwise around the box. Okay, so next question. I think this is last one. Last question, and later we'll discuss some just overview about data interpretation. So which is the correct option? Last one, everyone try, everyone just mention in the chat box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Answer is 2. 2 mentioning everyone 2, 5. So here this particular this type of circle the correct option is the fifth one, where the circle behind this circle that behind the line that moves one place clockwise each time. Yeah, I see. Then in the third option it is coming here. Then here in the next row. Then okay. So in this way it is moving in the clockwise. So here it will fit this particular option in a clockwise. So answer is fifth one. Okay. So let us discuss about mm, data interpretation. Just overview. Okay, so data interpretation is also very important topic, and in this topic you will get like the sum of the problem statement in a table form, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, and if you are lucky, so what happens is for you you may get 5 questions based on the one table, 4 to 5 questions on one table, and so such type of questions means 100% you can get the answer, but here the some of the like tricks you have to use to how you can save the time for the calculation and all. Okay, so here like while calculating the percentage, and they will compare the growth rate from like in the comparing from one column to the another growth rate, then approximation values, then a unitary method you have to use, then cross multiplication. So some of the strategies you have to use, like for example, some pick the easy questions, because in the this data interpretation, you will get some of the questions like in the table form. You will get the questions in the table form where you have to calculate the sum of the percentage or some total average and all. Okay. So what happens in such cases, because in data interpretation based upon the one table, so they ask around 4 to 5 questions, 4 to 5 questions, and you have to find the required like total value of the column or average, and that value it is required for some of the 2 3 questions, the same value. Okay, so what you do, you don't try to attempt the only the first question. If the question is related to the data interpretation, you try to like go through all the 5 questions, you read all the 5 questions and find the data that is required. Okay, and you just check it out whether that particular data is it is required for the other questions also. Okay, so in this way you can like save the time. Okay, and out of 5, maximum 1 or 2 questions are the like the some time consuming calculations, time consuming calculations. So the other than that, it is just you have to use some tricks to solve. Okay, so that is about the data interpretation. For example, like here I have just taken some examples, like while the approximations. For example, to calculate 1789 divided by 762. Okay, so the correct value is 2.34776, right? So here you have to use like approximation. So your maybe the options like you may get like 2.3, 2.5, 2.8, 2.9, some of the options, okay, or maybe 2, 5, 6, 7. So here you can use some tricks. So don't solve like you can at least take some approximation figure. 1780 means it is nearer to 1760 and divided by 750. Okay, so you try to take some approximate value because it comes because what happens when we see the questions in data interpretation and all based upon those calculations we spend more time to analyze the to understand those questions, but those are very simple if you do practices, if you do more practice. So in such cases you can do some these approximation values and you can answer. Or for example here like 1760 divided by 750, so just you can take 750 means it is like uh, means into 2, so the answer is like fixed 2 point something. Okay, it is 2 points fixed. So after that, suppose if it is it is the case of options, then this is the correct option, the approximate value. They may ask the approximate value also some. And suppose if it is the case, then you have to go some depth and suppose you have to find out the values. Like suppose here here 750 into 2 means 1500 we got, and remaining is around 250 is required. Okay, so 250 means so 250 is one third of the 750, right? One third means what? 0.33. So at least in this way you can save the time. You can save the time, and it all comes with the practice only. With the practice, so don't. Uh, I think you maybe you appear. I think in is there such questions in the Infosys? Anyone attempted? So is anyone? I think you maybe received some different questions. I think all of you. So anyone received data interpretation type questions in the Infosys? If you yes mention, okay, pie chart was there. Okay, good. So because such type of, because they will check your that ability, the aptitude skills, how you can analyze the things. It is required because data interpretation not it is because with one graph, with one table, we need to analyze. We need to analyze the like they will check your ability, the mental ability, how you can able to come to a conclusion. So that's why such type of the topics they add in the why, because you are a fresher and for fresher just they will check means because once you join in the company they will provide the training, so just they will check the ability, the aptitude skills, how the people, how the student are, how he can solve the problems, how he can analyze. Okay, so that's why in every recruitment test they conduct the aptitude test, and later on they in the interview and all they will check your communication skills and all. Okay, because even for in the government jobs and all, even for I think last year for the railway department group D, railway department group D post, for that they conducted the aptitude test. Group D means like the job is like for cleaning and cleaning in maintenance department in the railway department, but salary is good around 30 35 at the start. Means it is not required even for the conductor also, but this aptitude means this ability is required for the students. Okay, the job whatever you do is different, but it is all required for the students to do some analysis and all. And like for example in such cases what is the percentage of percentage, what percentage is 468 468 of 21428. What percentage? So in such cases also, it means it is all based upon your practice only. So here you have to like with some calculation, 100% is old, that 1% is 214, 2% is double of this 214, that is 428. So here our value is 468. Okay, so 468 and with 2% means 428. So the answer is, it is nearer to the 2. 2 is fixed, 2 point something, 2 point something. Okay, so the correct is 2.18. So here in this way you have to do the analysis, and that comes with only practice. Okay, even for these graph charts also. I think it is not visible clearly. Okay, but so here why I added this diagram is, don't simplify the fractions whatever you get until the necessary. So suppose if you get some for example, which year the wheat production is higher. So suppose here this is for the wheat, and this is for the rice. Okay, this is for the wheat and this is for the rice, and here the year they are given, and we need to find the which year the wheat production is higher, which wheat production is higher. So here the formula is like the current year minus base year. Wait, okay, sorry for the interruption. So like yeah, so such type of questions you will get, and like which year the wheat production is higher. So wheat production means here for example in this case wheat production 50, 55. Okay, suppose here the current year the 2006, for 2006 the current year 55 minus 50, 55 minus 50 divided by the base. Okay, this is a simple formula. Okay, into 100 means just calculating for the 1 year. So here we will get 5 by 50, 5 by 50. Here this will go, okay, 0 and 5 to the, so how much will get? 1 by 10. So 1 by 10, and for next year also you will get for next year 1 by 11, like, or 1 by 12. So in such cases what you do, you don't calculate the fractions. Okay, so which year the wheat production is higher, which year the wheat production is higher. Okay, so in such cases what to do, you have to, like, if the denominator is higher, then it will be less, right? If for 1 by 2 means 0.5, if denominator is larger, value will be less. So in such cases you don't, means if it is required you can do the the fraction calculation and all. Okay, so and also like some other cases like averages. So here suppose I think it is not visible clearly, but still, like here means to suppose if it is average calculation, what you have to do, here you can check the values. 7 suppose if they asked about the average of all the 5 years. Okay, then this is 2001, 2002, 3, 4 and 5. The values you can check: 7814, 7829, 7908, 7822, 79220. Means the it is all the values 7 8 above the. Okay, so you can consider one fixed value. 7800 is our base value. Okay, then after that you can like some like here 7814 is there, so you can take the that upper value. Then here 7829. So I'm taking these the difference values. So I'm taking, because all the values, the averages are 7800. In such case, this is just one example. Means I'm calculating the average of all the 5 years. So here I'm getting for these differences 293 by 5, so 58.6. So you just add this 58.6. So here you will get average is 7858. Okay. So in this way you have to solve the problem. So uh, the topics you may get like pie charts also, you may get table format, bar chart, line chart. So most of the questions you may get table and pie chart. So just practice it. And yeah, 107. So if you have any questions, any other, see it is all like uh, the frankly is that you people are like practicing, you are attended so many sessions, and you people are good in the because you got the seat in this institution. It is all because of your the score in the 10th, 12th, and in B. If you people are good in the mathematics, PCMB. Okay, so PCM is, you people are having the score is good. So you need just a practice, because these are all concepts that comes in the 10th and 12th syllabuses. Even you people maybe you people are like attended maybe in 6th, 7th also they conduct some national level tests. Okay, so these are all you already gone through in your childhood. So now just it's a practice is required. So it's the placement is just about to check your ability, the how you can solve the problems. So set a goal and go through all the topics, practice it. And just one thing you keep in mind, your cutoff may go with 1 marks also. So don't neglect a single topic. In any one of the section also, you may lose the job because of 1 marks. So it's very important, because from you people are preparing from second year. So it's a time to just revise and practice, and don't lose with 1 marks, 1 or 2 marks. Okay, because as more the lakhs together people are appearing, so practice is required. Without practice, it is very difficult. Because as frankly saying, even because we people as a like faculty and all, we won't daily look for these aptitude and all, but we can give the guidance like these are the topics that, because it's continuous practice is required. Without practice, no one is perfect. And if you have any other questions, you can just ask. And also, and also while filling the form that TCS, I think many of you are still maybe not filled. Uh, so while filling the form, take care about your educational details and all. Because in Infosys, no, many of you student, they mentioned the different college name and department name. Like suppose if it is a mechanical engineering, so just they mention mechanical. If it is a ENTC, electronics telecommunication, means just they will mention ENTC. Like, so just try to mention, because the profile that indicates you, how you provide all the details. Even I think it is asking about your projects also, your resume and your internships, courses and all. If possible, you add all the details. I think you people are done even in the lockdown, the TCS ION course also. Okay, so all the informations you add, so that reflects you, that profile. Okay, that if suppose even though there may be there are different chances, like even though if you are not qualified, but your profile, if they are looking for, if it matches, then you may get also interview call. So if you have any other questions, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll end this session.